Why, hello there.
Oh, hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You guys joined the party tonight?
We are.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's fun being dead. The accident happened over a month ago.
Oh, really? Well, you look great for it just happening.
They preserved me pretty well.
Yeah.
Well, if you want my honest answer, it's mainly dead weight, so.
Oh, that's a groaner.
Yeah, what happened was, what happened with me, the accident I was talking about. You know why the train's not running? That's me.
Oh, really?
Yep, I woke up, I was in a funeral home. I've been in a funeral home for the past almost 2 months. I didn't know
Wow.
what to do with me. I'm like, really, guys?
So they gave you a job during the Halloween parties?
Oh, no, I was a cast member before, and I'm still one, technically. Now, we got a cemetery for us back there.
Oh,
And I can't
so
go
once you sign the contract, it's good for life.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of those. It's, as I put it, worse than a phone contract.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a cemetery back there for us, and they give us free food, free plumbing, and free electricity. Can't go wrong with that. Especially
Hey.
with Florida prices.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like, well, if they need us, they just knock on our tombstones. Like earlier, they need me for the vehicle,
Yeah.
so they knocked on my tombstone. I go, what?
Said, come on, time to work for your keep,
I'm
right?
actually heading back to bed, so, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, they don't need me anymore for tonight, so I'm
Oh.
just heading back.
Well, sleep well.
Oh, thanks. I gotta go get my friends.
Okay, see ya.